Good afternoon, AUICA Church family. Greetings to all of you. Thank you for the good message that we have today about the Christian living. And I hope that those words take root in our hearts, may transform, and may we live a worthy life of His calling. And as Pastor said, God wants to bless us just as He promised to Abraham, and He wants to restore us. And as we also sang the worship songs, why are you fearful, my son, my daughter? It calls us that He wants to bless us. And this particular song we're going to sing goes along the same lines. It talks about, you are my God, you are my refuge. From generation to generation, there's nothing for you to fear. And of the size of this congregation, some of us are going through sufferings. There's a sickness. And we may lose hope, but the living God is with us. And He wants us to trust Him, and we have to come to Him. And as we sing this song, this is a familiar song to some of us, and there's a lot of repetition. And I would like all of you to raise your voices and sing. We want to worship the God in truth and in spirit. Please do join us as we sing this song, Bhayamu Ledu. And He is our God for generation to generation.
Sarvadikari na deva